Hello everyone and welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today's videos is about why Yashika Makeover Academy might not be the right fit for beginners. But first, let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you are looking for career in beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build you one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. If you are planning to enter the beauty industry, then you are on the right track and came across the right video, because in this video we will explore an academy of Paschim Vihar and explore the aspects of the academy that might not be a good fit for you. The name of the academy is Yashika Makeover Academy, which is in Paschim Vihar. In this video, we will understand why this academy might not be the right fit for you despite having advanced techniques and specialized programs. So first, let's examine the Yashika Makeover Academy. A makeup institution that offers well-created courses to assist people in learning and developing their makeup skills is called Yashika Makeover Academy. The cost of the courses may vary depending on the level and course. For more details about the courses, cost, time frame and location of Yashika Makeover Academy, people can get in touch with them or visit their website. Now that you have got the gist about Yashika Makeover Academy, let's take a look at the courses that they offer. The Academy's website, Pinterest, Instagram and YouTube are just a few of the channels where you may find information about the courses and cost. Some of the courses are: first, makeup course; second, hair course; and third, nail course. Now let's talk about fees of the Yashika Makeover Academy courses. If you enroll in this makeup school, the cost is Rs 80,000 and the training lasts 2 months. According to the course and level, different Yashika Makeover Academy costs apply. The professional training offered by Yashika Makeover Academy can assist students in developing their makeup skills. Therefore, those who want detailed information regarding the cost of courses at Yashika Makeover Academy may get in touch with the school or check out their official website. Now let me tell you about the duration of Yashika Makeover Academy courses. If you enroll in this makeup school, the training lasts 2 months. It can be assumed that based on the level and type of training, the duration of the courses may vary. However, people can get in touch with Yashika Makeover Academy or check out their official website for more detailed information regarding the length of the courses they offer. That was the overview on the courses that Yashika Makeover Academy offers. Now let's talk about the most important thing and the reasons why you are watching this video is to tell you about Yashika Makeover Academy is not beneficial for beginners in the makeup industry. First point, we have Yashika Makeover Academy allows 30 to 35 students in a batch, which does not allow students to concentrate on the training and cannot grasp the concepts properly, and because of so many students in a batch, trainers cannot focus on every student. Second, their courses duration are short, which leaves students with incomplete training. Courses are only a few weeks long. Third, the fee structure is not balanced with the duration of the courses. The fee is very high as compared to the duration and people find it difficult to pay the fee. Fourth point, we have they only teach makeup courses. They do not have variety in courses. Only their courses are limited to makeup courses. Fifth, in this academy, only trainers train to the students. Yashika does not even bother to give demo classes to students. Sixth, management is very bad because Yashika only gives attention to events that she is going to attend and are very important to make her own profile strong. Students are left alone with trainers, which is very disappointing. Seventh, As we know that Yashika Makeover Academy is a reputed academy, but this academy is not recognized by the Indian government. They provide a self certificate which has no value in the market. If you did any course from this academy and want to open a salon, then no bank will give you a loan. So far, I've told you almost everything about Yashika Makeover Academy. So now it's time to tell you about few other top Delhi NCR academies from where you may choose a highly professional makeup training. First, we have Meri Bindi International Academy. Meri Bindi International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindi International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving her job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindi International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Meri Bindi International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Export. This academy has two branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindi International Academy for training in the advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Meri Bindi International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. This academy provides world-class education to the students. Also provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in the jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindi International Academy. Second academy we have is Sanya and Shifa Makeup Academy. This academy comes in the top second position for makeup courses. Apart from makeup, you can do many other courses from here. If you do a makeup course from here, its fees around rupees 90,000 and the duration of this course is 2 months. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. Third academy we have the Red Fox Makeup Academy. This academy comes in the top third position for makeup courses. From here you can do many courses related to makeup. If you do a makeup course from here, then its fee is around rupees 86,000 and the duration of this course is 2 months. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. If you know about any course of any academy, then please review us in the comments section. We will show your review in the next video, which will help our students to navigate their path into the beauty industry. So friends, if you want to do professional makeup and beauty course, then visit your preferred academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you like our video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thank you.